Hello everyone, today I will show you how to configure a new remote to connect to good IF controller in case you want to add more or lost the current one and want to replace new. On the surface of the control board, we have a label. Just remove it to another position of the board. But not here, we need to supply the power to this cabinet first and turn to auto mode and switch in front of the cabinet to let the board maintain the power supply. Then we use a screwdriver, press into the button on the board at this position until the latch on the board blink 3 times completely. Next, put on the button on the new remote, then the latch will blink 5 times. So the configuration is done. Now we can control the good IF controller via this remote. The configuration is very easy, right? We can configure for maximum 10 remotes to control a cabinet. Now I will showing you 2 remote control this controller. We also sell remote separately. Just inbox on the website or comment on this video. Now I will do it one more time. Use the screwdriver, press into the button on the board at this position until the LEDs on the board blink 3 times completely. Then push on button on the new remote. So the LED will blink 5 times. So it's done. We can control the good IF controller. Okay, thanks for your watching. See you.